In this video, brought to you by Trashbots, you will learn about the rock, paper, scissors activity. For this activity, you will use Python to code your Trashbot to play rock, paper, scissors with you. Step 1. Gather materials. Gather a computer, a Trashbot, and a micro USB. Step 2. Code. Code your Trashbot to create a rock, paper, scissors game. The player should be able to pick either R, P, or S by scrolling using button A and selecting using button B. The Trashbot should randomly select R, P, or S and display who wins the game. Step 3. Test. Test your code by playing a game. Does it work as expected? What happens if both the player and the Trashbot have the same choice? Step 4. Refine. Try to identify the bugs, if any, that are preventing your code from working. Brainstorm and code methods to fix them. Step 5. Test again. With your new code, run the same tests as you did in Step 3 and evaluate. What happened to your program? Step 6. Reflect. What issues did you face in this activity, and how did you overcome them? Can you identify any applications of this activity in the real world? For more lessons, visit lessons.trashbots.co.